Hey everyone, and welcome back to our series where we dive deep into India's top AIFs. In this episode, we're shining a light on the Carnelian India Amritkaal Fund, a fund that focuses on companies with sustainable business models, strong management and governance, and a large opportunity size. This fund follows a QGARP strategy, which stands for Quality Growth at a Reasonable Price. You can explore our previous videos by clicking the info button, where we've covered PMS and AIF schemes from Abacus Asset Manager, Stallion Asset, Negan Capital and Buoyant. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know, including the fund's basic details, investment strategy, portfolio mix by market cap, top holdings and sectors, fund manager insights, investment details, historical returns, and taxation structure. Let's move on to the basic details. This scheme was launched on August 2024 and currently manages assets worth around $1.6 billion. Now let's take a look at the investment strategy. The fund strategy focuses on investing in high-quality businesses with strong profits and capable management. They look for two types of growth: companies showing accelerated earnings and valuation re-rating, and those delivering steady, sustainable growth. Every company goes through clear forensic checks: cash flows, liabilities, earnings quality, asset quality, and governance risks. Finally, the fund invests only when valuations are reasonable compared to the growth potential. Let's move on to the portfolio mix by market cap. The Carnelian India Amritkaal Fund invests predominantly in large-cap stocks, which make up about 36.9% of its portfolio. Mid-cap stocks account for 25.2%, small-cap stocks make up 30.9%, and the remaining 6.9% is allocated to other holdings and cash equivalents. Now let's take a look at the top 10 holdings of the fund. The top holdings include Aditya Birla Capital, Biocon, Maruti Suzuki, Grasim Industries, LG Electronics, Larsen & Toubro, Canara Bank, PNB, Star Health, and Allied and Tech Mahindra. Next, let's look at the top 5 sector exposures. The fund's top sector allocations are BFSI, manufacturing, consumption, services, infrastructure. Now let's take a look at the fund manager. The Carnelian India Amritkaal Fund is managed by Manoj Baheti. He is a chartered accountant and a CFA charter holder, having 26 years of rich and diverse financial services, having worked with Edelweiss Securities, Morgan Stanley, and HPCL. Manoj has spent 11 years at Edelweiss Securities as researcher. Now, let's move on to the investment details. The minimum investment required for a lump sum is $1.5 million. Now let's look at the returns generated by the fund. In the last 3 months, the Carnelian India Amritkaal Fund delivered a return of 2% compared to 2.3% by its benchmark, the MSCI India Index. Over 6 months, the fund generated 14.7%, while the benchmark returned 1.3%. For the 1-year period, the fund delivered 5.1%, outperforming the benchmark's negative 0.7%. And since inception, it achieved return of 4.5% versus negative 1.5% by the benchmark. Now, let's take a look at the fee structure. The fund's fee structure is categorized into 2 classes based on the investor's capital commitment. For Class A1 investors, with commitments of up to $1 million, the fund charges a fixed management fee of 1.50% per annum, along with a performance fee of 15% above a 6% hurdle rate. For Class A2 investors, with commitments between $1 million and $5 million, the fixed management fee is reduced to 1.25% per annum, while the performance fee and hurdle rate remain the same at 15% and 6% respectively. That's all for today. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more research-based financial content. Don't forget to click the bell icon for updates on upcoming videos and potential multi-bagger stocks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.